Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is having a good Thursday. Today is September 12th, and crypto is pumping again. Pepe is up 2.3, Brett is up 2.4, Popcat 9.4, and Sundog 20%. And Bitcoin is at 1%, Solana 2.6. So altcoin is starting to come back from the dead. And if we go to Pepe chart, we're still in the golden pocket zone, in the volume trading zone, and then another RSI divergence here. Divergence. And the indicator selling sell. And Bitcoin is testing the 20-day moving average. And then same thing. RSI divergence. And volume is remaining the same. But if we go to fear and greed index, now it's at 31 fear, and coming back from the extreme fear from last week. So I think we're nearing the end. And another good news is GDP now. GDP now predicts the current GDP, and it's up to 2.5, up from 2.1% on September 4. So many people are scared of the recession fear, but you can still stay up to date with the current GDP. And the inflation printed low last week or yesterday. So interest rate cut is very highly likely now. CPI inflation data. So this is a CPI inflation data, and the blue line is everything, all items CPI, including housing, energy, and everything. And then it's at 2.5. So Fed's goal is at 2, and then now you can see a clear downtrend in the inflation, which is good for crypto because there's high likely, it gives more reason for Fed to cut the rate now. And then core is at 3.2, signaling that housing takes bigger portion of the core, but it looks like housing is still sticky. And then the probability for September 18th meeting, 25 basis point cut is most likely. And yeah, so I think we're getting close to October now. Let's go Popcat. Popcat chart is amazing. You can see a clear uptrend in Popcat's price. Clear uptrend. So dog coins are getting too crowded. So people are fleeing to frogs and cats. Andy is coming back from the dead, finally poking above the 20-day moving average. Look at the volume profile. We're almost at an all-time low, which is good. Anything else I want to talk about? Plasma saying Pepe higher low confirmed and looks primed to send towards new all-time high. As long as we don't make a new all-time low. Jack is saying the market is finally ready for HTF continuation after 6 months slow sideways. Everyone who read my newsletter knows the levels We should be on the road to 61K now. Flip that 65K, flip that weekly MSB 120K. The US elections are bullish for Bitcoin no matter the outcome. 2016, 2020, 2024. So the market is going to top out sometime in 2025. Crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and ETH. Now the sentiment is getting closer to bullish. Nice. We're seeing a triangle pattern here. Seeing a triangle. Some Elliott waves counting. Top 5 meme coins to pick for 2025. Go to meme section. Pepe number 1. Popcat number 2. Mog number 3. Turbo number 4. And Ponke Nero. Nero is doing way good volume. Dog with hat. Sundog. Yeah, just look at the divergence. So here, we made a higher high on the price, but the RSI made a lower low. There was a divergence in May, signaling a top. And then on the bottom, the price made a lower low, but the RSI made a higher high. So this is a mega bullish sign. And Andy is at the bottom, currently at the bottom. There's nowhere to go lower. Andy cannot go lower because we're at the bottom. So I think when Andy is topping, then I'm gonna get the fuck out. Andy has been really painful. Popcat.